half first. Like that. Then like this. Ooh. Yummy. Hi, welcome to ETC channel. And for today's video, we are going to
JB Johor Bahru.
Yes, it's for a day trip.
And we are now at Woodlands.
Yes.
The change, and we're gonna take 950 to the Causeway. Remember to subscribe to ETC channel.
Yeah, see you later.
Bye.
Bye. Alright guys, we just cleared the custom.
Yes, after 1.5 hours.
Yeah. But it's still smooth, right?
Yeah, actually it's 1 hour.
Yeah.
Because we bought the bus 950 from Woodlands at
Yes.
about 9:50.
Yeah. The mic.
About 9:50, and
Yeah.
now it's 10:47.
So our first stop is we will go to
The OMG crab.
yeah, we will
We
go
have
to
a table reservation at 11.
11:15.
We're gonna eat the
Marinated, yeah, raw crab salad. And then we're gonna
KSL, and then after that to City Square Mall.
yes.
Before we head back home, we're taking the KTM train at 4:35 p.m.
Yeah. So
See you.
so you see, it's not really crowded, but still got people. Okay, see you later.
See you at the restaurant.
Bye.
Bye. The Rich OMG Crab JB. So this is the place where I researched that they have very nice marinated raw crab.
Yes.
So let's go in and see.
Okay. So this is the shop. It's called OMG Crab. From City Square, we took Grab, and now we're going to try their marinated crab salad.
Morning, welcome.
We ordered the marinated crab.
And this is the spicy octopus. And we have here salmon, raw salmon on rice. It comes with raw egg yolk with fish roll, some daikons, and raw marinated salmon. And then you have the rice.
For which we will use later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we still have other dishes, which is the ramyeon.
Ramen.
Yeah.
Yeah, we ordered ramen soup. And for our drinks, we ordered apple juice and green tea.
And we ordered seaweed sheets that will go with the crab with the rice. Later, we will demonstrate how to eat it. Looking super forward.
This is the first time that I'm gonna try this. I don't know the taste, but we checked some YouTube videos, right? Seems pretty nice.
And this restaurant seems to be quite popular here, and it's one of the few Korean restaurants that serve raw crab. Oh, here we have the seafood ramyeon. Oh, it comes with another egg. So this place we came to try is because OMG Crab uses only wild caught crabs for their marinated dishes. So that's why we came to try, and this is our first time trying. And it's pretty near KSL Mall.
Let's eat.
Yes.
Okay. So there are two ways to eat it. One is to take this and then put some rice on top of it, like that, and then
you mix it.
I mix it first.
No, it's up to you.
Okay, put some kimchi first, and then some of this. Then mix it. And then eat it. Is it nice? I don't know.
How is it?
Nice.
Is it fresh?
Right.
It doesn't have that odor or anything.
But don't have any. It's really well marinated with the soya sauce.
Is it salty?
A bit, but it's okay if you put the rice. Yummy. Now, the second way to eat it is to use, what do you call this?
Seaweed sheets.
Seaweed sheet.
Put
And
some
then you
rice.
take some rice, like that,
Yeah.
and then some kimchi, is it? Yep,
Up to you. You can put the crab meat
kimchi.
instead.
Yeah,
instead
and then
in it.
okay, I put it here first, and then squeeze it, is it?
Yeah.
So I do like half first, like that. Then like this. Ooh, yummy. Like that. And then you eat it like this. Very nice. It's very nice. Nice. Yummy. Okay. I want to try their ramen. They have some shrimps and other seafood stuff. And then we also have the octopus, fresh one, and the salmon. Someone is enjoying already. Their crab. Okay, let's eat. Hi, we're done with our lunch.
Yes.
And the lunch is very nice. And
very
now,
delicious.
Very delicious.
And now I know why every time when I see people eat raw crabs on YouTube or in any videos, they don't eat the claws because it's a lot of effort to do it, and I eventually gave up.
Yep. And now we're heading to KSL.
Yep.
To do some shopping and jalan-jalan.
Yeah, it's within walking distance from this OMG Crab JB
Yeah.
to KSL Mall.
Correct.
I see ya.
See ya. Okay, we're heading to KSL now. I think 6 or 7 we're back in Singapore already.
Yeah, correct.
Ah,
Because we have opted to take the train back. We were not able to get the train tickets from Singapore to JB.
yeah. And you can see today the weather is good.
Not hazy, not cloudy, not very hot.
I think the walk is less than 5 minutes. And you can see
the GPS is 7 minutes walk.
yes, and you can see it's already KSL. Yeah, it's KSL. Okay, we reached KSL already. Now we're crossing the road to go to KSL and do our grocery.
And have some tea break.
Have some tea break, but I'm still very full.
Me too. Oh, I don't feel like I have left Singapore.
Why?
There's Pizza Hut, there's OMG.
Okay, now we reach the entrance of KSL, and there are lots of things here. Oh, even durian. See? I think this is like a food bazaar.
Yeah.
Yep, you see?
Oh, there's
Durian.
also cards.
There's also
We'll buy this later.
start. Then got durian.
We can buy this later.
Yep. And there are more durians there. Smells so nice. Haha.
Oh, there's mango.
Yeah. Okay, now we're inside KSL.
Mall, yes.
Similar to Singapore, you
Yeah,
see.
it feels like Jurong Point.
All the things that you see here also can see in Singapore. Except this, seasons.
Yeah, Seasons is a very big.
And you can buy all the power banks, wires,
Tapi
cables.
kalau anggur kuih.
Oh. They have all this.
The red bean coconut.
Angkukwe. Later we buy?
Yeah.
Take away?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love angkukwe. My favorite dessert.
You can buy for breakfast.
Yes. Breads. And all this, it's like a bazaar where you can buy all electronic stuff.
These are sushi.
Oh, this is sushi.
I thought it was cake or something, but sushi.
And those are the price. Depends on the color.
So like the golden ball, it's 280 ringgit.
Yep. Let's go. Where are we going now?
Shall we just walk around
Yes.
first, and then before
Oh.
we head up to Lotus, which is the hypermarket.
Yep. Are going to do our
Grocery shopping.
but we won't take video anymore lah.
Once we finish, we'll be heading straight to City Square Mall
Yes.
to buy more stuff over there.
Correct. Okay,
Alright,
see ya. Alright, so now we took bus. Then we're going to City Square. How much is the fare?
Ringgit $1.50 per person.
It's $1.50 RN. Okay, see you at City Square. Bye. Hi.
We have reached CIQ again.
Yes.
Around using this place called City Square.
Yes. So from KSL, we took public transport, the bus.
Yeah.
And then from there, they took us here. But we have nothing much to do here because all the shops are also found in Singapore, right?
Yeah, that's right. So basically, we are here to eat my crab salad. No, the raw, marinated raw crab dish. That is my aim of coming here.
Yeah. And we are also a bit full, so we don't know what to eat now lah.
Probably some water at this mall, and also to do some like shopping.
Correct. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye. Hello, hello, Johor. Yeah. So now we are finding our way to check the KTM. Oh, it's there. Yes. We found, and I think ours is 85 1430. So gate letter A. There, 430. Okay, we're going to the mall now. Yeah.
Probably find a place to
Find
sit
a place
down
to
and
sit
rest.
down and rest.
Because this is our day off.
Yeah.
Let's not kill ourselves.
And it's her birthday tomorrow.
And I promise that I will not get angry with him no matter what he do.
Alright, now we reach
Second level.
City Square. Yeah, so it looks the same, but now there are lots of stores, Cotton On, which Singapore have also. Alright, now we are at Dragon Eye because we saw this hairy crab. Lunchtime, we also ate crab, but it's those marinated crab. But this one, I think they will steam and then we can eat it.
Here comes our hairy crab. This is a good time to eat it in October and November. So let's try.
Okay.
So this is called the hairy crab. And what you eat for this crab is not the meat, but more of the crab roll. Okay, so they have the tag to ensure that it's authentic. Okay, to eat it. Okay, so this one is a male crab. In October it's male, in November tend to be female crab. Ouch, it's so hot. Ouch, it's still hot. Whoa, can you see the roll? This one cannot be eaten.
Cannot.
Cannot. Oh, see? Nice. And for crab, what I understand is this part here should be removed. Maybe I'll take this. Because this is the part that is the most cooling. So this is the part where we have to take out. This one cannot be eaten. Okay, so this is the part that we can eat. Very nice. I like it by itself, but let me try with the, I think it's the same ginger as this one. It reduces the richness of the roll. You know, it's like very rich, isn't it? Yummy, very nice. Hi, we finally reached back to Singapore after a trip in JB. It's a fun and filling trip because we ate a lot of crab. Raw crab in the morning, cooked crab for tea break.
Yeah, the hairy
Yeah, the hairy crab. Yeah, very nice. Hope you like the channel, and please remember to subscribe to ETC channel.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.